We're here today with the 24 Tundra. This is the new body style, so it is updated. It was originally in for a remote start, and on these newer Toyotas, you need to check and see if it's got factory remote start to begin with. Now, a lot of customers don't know that they actually do have a factory remote starter, but if we are going to interface with that and add something like longer range remotes, we need to disable that while we program. So while I was checking this, it does have the factory remote starts. I mean, it should. It's a platinum. Customer was unaware it had remote start. He could never get it to work. I'm going to show him when he comes, hey, you have factory remote start. There's no reason for you to add something on if you're comfortable with using the key, because all we were going to do was use the original key anyways. So on these Toyotas, what you do is it's a 3 times lock, but on the third press, you have to hold it for a few seconds. So these actually, we were just testing, has a 1-time start until it has to start the engine from the inside. So you can only start it 1 time. I'm not exactly sure on the factory remote start runtime, but like I was saying, it's lock, hold on the third press, and then the lights will flash and everything will turn on. So we'll do that now. And then you'll see all of your parking lights are going to start flashing. You can let go of the remote, and then it's going to start the truck. The parking lights are going to continue to flash for a minute, not really a minute, but a couple seconds, and then it's just going to be running as normal. If you come up to the door, it's going to actually unlock and turn the car off. If you also press any of the buttons on the key fob, it's going to turn it off as well. So I hit the unlock button, and then the truck turns off. So that's something with the factory programming. There's nothing that you can do to turn that on or off. That's just how they come. So we'll start it again. We'll turn it back off, and I'll show you one more time. All right, so we're going to do it so you can see the parking lights from the front and then the buttons on the key fob. So locks up top. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, and hold. And then that confirms that it received the command for remote start. And now it's going to be remote started, and this is with the factory fob, and that's all we were originally planning to do with this. I'm actually just going to pull the truck back around, and I called the customer and let him know already there's no reason for us to add something when this is all he wanted to begin with.